As friends, today I define you regular falsi method for solving a equation of f of x बराबर 0 which is algebraic or transcendental type equation. Correct? In this equation, to find the real root of equation f of x is equal to 0 for a sufficiently small interval x is equal to x1 to x is equal to x2, in which the root of the equation lies. Yes, since the root lies in this interval x1 x2, therefore the curve must crosses the line xy x in this direction, that is x1 here is, and x2. Yes, this one is x2. Yes, and therefore y1 can be written as, so y1, yes, this can be written as f of x1, and again y2 can be written as f of x2. Yes, clear? Now, therefore now we draw a graph like that, a or b. Yes, therefore the basic things are say here is, now we find a graph AB for a curve AB. AB is the chord, we plot this, and now this is defined in the interval, whole curve is defined in the interval CD. Okay, suppose x is equal to OS. Yes, OS. Correct. Suppose x is equal to OS be the actual value of the root. And now we replace the curve AB by the chord AB in the interval CD. Thus x is again is equal to OP. Is correct? Is the approximate value of the root. So we see that OP is equal to OC, yes, plus CP, yes, and therefore this can again be written as, this is equal to x1 plus CP. Yes, now we find CP. So from this triangle AC, ARB and ACP, yes, from this triangle it is clear that CP, yes, CP, okay, CP by CA is equal to RB by RA. Yes, this implies that this is again is equal to CP is equal to CP divided by, yes, CP divided by Y1 is equal to, yes, X2, yes, this point is X1, X1, A point is X1, Y1, and here is this is X2, Y2, yes, so this is clear that this point is CP is equal to CP, this is X2 minus, just this can be written as X2 minus X1, yes, and this divided by Y2 minus Y1 minus Y2. Yeah, yes, you see here this is Y1 and this is Y2. Here the X1 Y1 according to this. This implies that, yes, this implies that CP is equal to X2 minus X1 multiplied by Y1 divided by y1 minus y2. Yes, therefore the desired value of the root is equal to the desired value of the root is equal to x1, yes, plus Cp. Correct? It means this can be written as x1, that is, this can be written as x1 is equal to x1 plus x2 minus x1 whole divided by y1 minus y2, yes, and this multiplied by y1, yes. Now calculating this, we get this is again is equal to f of x1 x2 minus f of x2 x1 divided by f of x1 minus f of x2. Yes, clear. And let the desired value is approximated be represented as ये x1. ठीक है. Then to find the better approximation, we evaluate y1 by, this is can be written as f of x1. Yes, approximation. Now either y1, yes, this one y1 and y1 or y1 and y2 will be opposite signs. If y1 and y1 of opposite sign, then there lies one root of the interval x is equal to x1 to x is equal to x1. Yes, in this approximation, this you find the value of this one. So we can find the better approximation of the root by applying the method of the falsy interval in the interval x is equal to x1 and this one. Continuing this process, we can obtain the root of the desired accuracy. That is, you can find similarly x1, this one. Now the next term is x1 and x2. Now so on. Yes, this is a method for, this is the method, this is the method, here is, yes, regular falsy method. In this method you can find the real root of the equation. Yes, okay. Now next video I will define you examples of these regular falsy method. Yes, okay. Thank you.